about birds. Number 1. The world's smallest bird is bee hummingbird. Number 2. The world's fastest bird is peregrine falcon. Number 3. The only poisonous bird in the world is hooded pituhu. Number 4. There are roughly between 9,000 and 10,000 species of birds. Number 5. The Ruppel's griffon vulture is the highest flying bird in the world. Number 6. African grey parrots are one of the world's best mimicking birds. Number 7. Ostriches have the largest eye in any mammal on land. Number 8. A group of birds is called a flock. Number 9. All birds have feathers. Number 10. Ostrich lay the world's biggest